Creating and sending an invoice in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to pick the customer, review the pre-filled lines, and send, emailing the customer and syncing to QuickBooks so payment status stays current. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Accounting Invoices from your dashboard. Once an order's shipped, it's ready to invoice. Start by picking the customer, their billing address, payment terms, and rep fill in automatically. Every shipped line pre-fills at the correct price, so you're just reviewing, not retyping. Check the line items and the totals at the bottom. When it's right, click Send. That emails the invoice to the customer's billing contact and syncs it to QuickBooks, so its payment status stays in sync automatically. Back on the Invoices list, you'll see this invoice's QuickBooks payment status update as the customer pays. Open, partially paid, paid in full, so you always know where you stand without opening QuickBooks separately.